How to turn on invitation notification on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on invitation notification on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click this settings here and select notifications and go down here. You will find this one, level notification. Click on it and then just here you will find that invitation notification. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.